ship! Runner! Ship, sir!
Okay, engine.
Engine! Kapalit!
Engine.
Slow ahead!
Okay, ingat dito ha, stop engine.
Ano yan? Stop! Engine!
Sige.
Ay! Stop! Rato! Sir! Runner! Ship!
Okay. Stop engine.
Stop
John,
engine!
charge. Okay, stand by for maneuvering. Call Tacloban. Tacloban NFP.
Standby!
So, we are returning back to the ship.
Ano ship?
Meron daw eh.
Ano yan? Hanggaw! Sir?
Wala naman removal na dito. Basta nag-perform.
Wait!
Balik.
Yan ah!
This is Imbeno, Captain Luther.